Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial today, to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about, again, tools for social media, but in particular on retargeting and remarketing. I'm going to talk about two special tools which are very useful for any social media marketer or any brand that is looking to use social media as a tool, as a platform to promote its business or even promote itself. So let's dive in. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel, please like my videos, and please share my videos. So let's start the presentation. So the first tool is AdRolls. So AdRolls is actually a top player in retargeting and remarketing for displays, really. And the good thing about it, it's been in the market for a long, long time. And that is the reason why it grants access to 500, I think more than that, 500 ad exchanges and all social media platforms. So it's particularly a great tool for brands and businesses which are looking to use multiple social media platforms. And it works well for e-commerce, especially because it provides a very strong, because you can track really well your campaigns, and as a result it provides high returns to every dollar that is spent on the campaign. And the success story says that it actually lowers the CPC by 35%, and it lifts up sale by 265% in some cases. That's as per AdRoll's, their own data available on their website. Going forward, also, because it provides that kind of tracking and metrics, and it really helps to improve the brand awareness. The campaigns are monitored well across the channels. Your email campaigns are also monitored really well. It can integrate with all the email marketing service providers I spoke about yesterday, MailChimp and GetResponse, Vocato, and Marketo, and all of that. So it really is an all-in-one tool, because it provides that dashboard. So one dashboard, one area where you can go to monitor your campaigns and to do great remarketing rollover for your brand and business. And so one of the things one of the competitions for AdRoll's strong competition is actually Google's AdWords. Now, the stance that AdRoll takes is actually how they price it. So they price dynamically based on the CPMs. So you essentially pay as per the CPMs, and hence it is far more real value for money for the brand than AdWords, because AdWords is essentially you put in a certain amount of budget into the campaigns, and it plays according to the rates and the bidding rates, and how the CPMs are reflected based on the bidding rates. So here you can pretty much control the marketing dollars. So that's the claim that AdRoll has, and it says that it's an advantage over Google AdWords. The second tool is ReTargeter. Now, ReTargeter is also is a very strong tool. It's a diverse tool because it uses across the different categories of campaigns. So your search targeting, it's a social media targeting, all of that, and they dynamically retarget as well. So this is also a tool which you can possibly work very well for e-commerce. It has access to over 150 top retailers, so you can do behavioral data slices to work out your campaigns, to strategize. The good thing about it is you can actually have teams who would run different campaigns. So you could have a rule-based access and allow multiple teams working on, let's say, the whole entire tool and on probably different campaigns. Again, like I said, it's more useful for e-commerce because it reaches out to the top retailers, according to them, 150 web retailers around the world, around the web space. So those are the two tools that I would recommend for retargeting and remarketing. Please evaluate what's the best solution for you for your business, especially if you're an e-commerce brand. And I would also link on the card above the tools that I spoke about for email marketing yesterday. So you can take a look at it and you can possibly integrate and build a much more stronger campaign for your brand. So that's it, guys. So my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and a technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description down below. If you want to get a copy of this tutorial and subscribe to my newsletter, there'll be a link to that as well. Please go ahead and subscribe. I frequently work with companies and startups and help them on their business, technology, and marketing challenges. If you want to engage me as your consultant, please check yes on the third field of that subscription form, and I shall get back to you. So until then, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please share my videos. And thank you very much. And you have a great day and a great weekend. Take care and bye-bye.